MUJIGAE. MUJIGAE. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about MUJIGAE. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 361. MUJIGAE. MUJIGAE. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is mu, second syllable is ji, and third syllable is ge. Pronounce it with me. MUJIGAE. MUJIGAE. The word MUJIGAE is the Korean term for rainbow. Again, MUJIGAE means rainbow. How do we write MUJIGAE in Hangul? This is composed of three syllables. For the first syllable mu, we need to write first a miem character followed by an u character. For the second syllable ji, we need to write first a jiot character followed by an e character. And for the last syllable ge, we need to draw first a giot character followed by an e character. And then after that, we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these three syllables to form the Hangul of the word MUJIGAE. And with that, you've just learned MUJIGAE. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 351 to 360. But don't forget our word for today, word number 361, MUJIGAE, which means rainbow. The first word for our review is word number 360, 기분, which means feeling or mood. Next word is 가장, which means most. Next word is someone, which means wish. Next word is mare, which means say it or tell me. Next word is 밤, which means night. Next word is 화장지, which means tissue paper. Next word is 아무도, which means no one or nobody. Next word is 언제나, which means every time or always. Next word is 모든, which means all. And the last word for our review is word number 351, 먹자, which means let's eat. Congrats! You just learned another Korean word today. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.